Hello, my dear students. Today I am going to complete my worksheet of the river poem. I hope you all are completed. If anyone is remaining to complete this work, you have to do now. If you are completed, you have to check your answers. Okay. This time we have in worksheet hard words practice. Why we need this one? Because you will get a perfect writing and spelling errors. आपका जो स्पेलिंग लिखने में जो एरर होते थे, आपसे गलती होते थे, आप सुधर सकते हो. आप जैसे प्रैक्टिस करोगे वैसे आपका स्पेलिंग एरर्स नहीं होंगे, स्पेलिंग में कुछ भी गलतियाँ नहीं होते. इसलिए मैंने हार्ड वर्ड्स रिवर वर्कशीट में भी दिया है और फेयर नोटबुक में भी दिया है. ओके, प्रैक्टिस इट नाउ. रिवर पोएम का wanderer, tramp, camp, winder, twists, turns, hoarder, buries, treasure, hunts, sucking, thumbs, coats, countryside, echoes, monster, gobbled, swallow. These 17 words are there. You have to practice it 2 times in your worksheet. I hope you will get a sufficient space to write 2 times in your worksheet. You have to copy these words 2 times in your worksheet. Okay. Now come to the scene poem 1. Scene poem 1 we have as the river, a wanderer, a nomad, a tramp. He doesn't choose one place to set up his camp. The river's a winder through valley and hill. He twists, he turns, he just cannot be still. Cannot be still. This is the scene poem. Now come to the question answers of this poem. Okay. Now what is the question? First question. What is the poem about? Answer the following exercise. Now, what is the poem about? The poem is about the river. You have to write T in capital and R also capital. From a reading of the poem, do you think you should be preserved or destroyed? Okay. Now second one, write rhyming words from the poem tramp, camp, hill, still. Write the same word meanings of this. Who does not like to live in one place? This is given in your hard words meaning. You have to write from there. That meaning is the river poem, page number 54. Nomad, someone who doesn't like to live in a one place. Who is he? Nomad. A place to stay. Camp, a place to stay means camp. This is the answer of poem. I am going to send you PDF of these question answers and exercises. You have to copy from there. If you complete it, you have to check yourself. Now, unseen poem is there. To make a garden, all you need is a just single simple seed, patch of earth, a stitcher's spot that's not too cold but not too hot, a little rain, a lot of sun, that's all you need. Okay, this poem is about garden. आपको garden करने में क्या क्या चाहिए? Just a single simple seed, कोई भी कोई भी गार्डन का ट्री या कुछ भी आप सैंपल्स लगाते हो तो उसका सीड या कटिंग्स चाहिए आपको. पैच ऑफ अर्थ, अर्थ गार्डन करने के लिए अर्थ. नाउअडेज हम अपार्टमेंट्स वगैरह में रहते हैं तो अर्थ नहीं मिलती थी, सो वी कैन यूज अ पॉट विथ अ मड. मड का जो उसमें डाल के हम अर्थ कर सकते हैं उसके लिए. शेल्टर स्पॉट, शेल्टर मीन्स जो उसके लिए प्रोटेक्टिव प्लेस होता है वैसे में. दैट्स नॉट टू कोल्ड नॉट टू हॉट. कैसा प्लेस होना चाहिए? ज़्यादा हॉट भी नहीं और ज़्यादा कोल्ड भी नहीं. अ लिटल रेन अ लॉट ऑफ सन, थोड़ा सा बारिश चाहिए बट बहुत ज़्यादा सन रेज चाहिए. ऑल ऑफ यू नो ना, ट्रीज या प्लांट्स ग्रो होने के लिए सन रेज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. दैट्स ऑल यू नीड. आपके पास ये सब है तो आप गार्डन बना सकते हो. नाउ कम टू दी आंसर दीज क्वेश्चंस. व्हाट ऑल डू यू नीड टू ग्रो प्लांट्स? We need a simple single seed and patch of earth and sheltered spot. इतने things हमें चाहिए. Where should you plant the seed? We should need a patch of earth to plant the seed. That's not too cold or that's not hot. This is the two questions are there only. Okay, now come to the number 3 question. What do you will need to make garden? आपको गार्डन करने के क्या क्या चाहिए? फर्स्ट यू रीड ना, सिंपल सीड, पैच ऑफ अर्थ and sun rays, rain and not hot and not cold weather there, and write a rhyming words of these. Need, speed, spot, hot, and write opposites of these: big, small, cold, hot. Now come to the chapter 7, Robbie's Railroad. Robbie's Railroad के hard words are given here. If you get a place, you have to practice 2 times. Otherwise, you have to write only 1 time. Favorite, different, interesting, whistle, everything, thought, distance, unhappy, idea, tools, build, orchard, carriage, passengers, climbed, neighborhood, kindest, dearest, summer, break, ride, world. 3 or 4 words are repeated. No need to worry. You have to write it. Okay. Now come to the this poem's scene passage. Okay. Wait. Scene passage 1. Scene passage 1 is from page number 55, paragraph 1. Robbie lived in the city से लेके again trains again question mark तक है. Robbie lived in the city near the train station. His favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. He never got tired of watching them. In the summer, Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Robbie was very happy for the first 2 days. Everything was different from the city. It was all so new and interesting. Then, one day, Robbie heard train whistle in the distance. He ran to his mother and asked, When can we go home, mother, so that I can see the trains again? This is the scene passage 1. You have to answer now given questions. What was the Robbie's favorite thing to do? Robbie's favorite thing was to watch the trains come and go outside his window at different times of the day. What Where did Robbie and his mother go in the summer? Robbie and his mother went to visit Grandpa and Grandma Ray on their farm. Who lived near the station? Robbie lived in the city near the station. Now come to the right opposite words of these. Same, different, far, near, sad, happy. Write past tense of these words. Hear, heard, H-E-A-R-D, heard. Get, got, G-O-T, got. R-U-N, run, R-A-N, ran. G-O, go. W-E-N-T, went. Live, lived. Write two plurals from the passage. Okay, you have to write from the passage two words from the passage. Days and trains. Two words I got. If you get extra, you have to write in your worksheet. Now come to the scene passage 2. Scene passage 2. Grandpa Ray thought about what he could do to make Robbie happy. Now page number 56. This passage is in your textbook, page number 56. Second paragraph. Grandpa Ray thought about Grandpa Ray thought about he could do to make Robbie happy. Then he had an idea. He bought some wood and collected all his tools. Then he called Robbie out to the orchard in front of the house and they began to work. Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. Then they built a railway carriage, a platform on wheels with seats for 3 passengers. The carriage would move along the track just like a real train. This is the passage, scene passage 2. Who make Robbie happy? Grandpa Ray made Robbie happy. Who built wooden railway track? Grandpa made wooden railway track. Where did they build railway track? They built railway track out of the orchard. Then he orchard front of the house began built wooden railway track all around the Grandpa and Robbie built a wooden railway track all around the orchard. Okay. How was railway carriage? The railway carriage was just like a real train. Okay. Write two plurals from the passage. Two plurals are there. Tools, passengers, wheels, okay. Now write past tense of these. Collect, collected. Build, built. B-U-I-L-T, built. Begin, began. B-E-G-A-N, collect, collected. C-O-L-L-E-C-T, Lected. Call, called. This is the scene passage to answer. I hope you will complete this. If you were completed already, please check your answer and correct it. Thank you. Stay safe.